Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Taurus 6mm airsoft pistol, or also known as the Taurus 24/7. This gun is fully licensed by Taurus. It can be bought on Amazon, eBay, Airsoft Megastore, places like that. The magazine holds 15 rounds. This is CO2 powered. Very lightweight gun. The heaviest part on this gun is the clip because this is where the CO2 is. You just take an Allen key and this part right here, you twist it open, and that is where your CO2 goes in. This gun is ranged, for the feet per second is about 270 feet per second. Good for CQB. The safety is right here. This is a non-blowback pistol. Like I said, the clip is the heaviest part on the gun, so it is not tip heavy. Non-blowback and fully licensed by Taurus. Thank you for watching, and this is the Taurus 24/7, and I am Outdoor Man.